Are you looking for a haircut that exudes elegance and grandeur, while also exuding timelessness and sophistication? Don't look any further. Here are some hairstyles that have stood the test of time. They've been around for decades, and even in modern times, they continue to be popular among the rich and the stylish. There is an old money haircut that is ideal for you, regardless of whether you want to achieve a style that is sleek and polished or one that is more laid back and effortless and comfortable. Let's talk about some famous old money hairstyles for men. Number 3. Classic side part. It has been more than a century since the side part became a fashionable haircut. It is considered a classic. There is a wide range of hair lengths and textures that may be worn with this style because it is so adaptable. Therefore, in order to create this appearance, you need to ask your barber to cut your hair short on the sides and back while leaving more length on the top. After that, create a part in your hair on one side and then comb it forward to the opposite side. If you want to hold your hair in place, you can use a pomade or hair wax. Number 2. Ivy League cut. The Harvard clip, also known as the Ivy League cut, is a type of preppy haircut that is ideal for men who wish to convey an image of cleanliness and sophistication. The hair on the sides and back of the head is cut short, while the hair on the top is somewhat longer and combed to the side. This is the defining characteristic of this style. It is common for the hair on top to be tapered, which means that it is shorter at the rear and longer at the front sections. A slope that appears to be natural and is both fashionable and classy is produced as a result of this. Number 1. Slicked back hair. Beginning in the early 20th century, slicked back hair has been a well-liked and enduring hairstyle that has remained fashionable. Hair that has been combed back and is kept in place with a pomade or another styling product is the defining characteristic of this style. Men who are looking for a sleek and sophisticated appearance may find this style to be ideal. If you want to get this look, you should speak with your barber about having your hair trimmed short on the sides and back, but leaving more length on the top. After that, you should comb your hair back and use a style product to ensure that it remains in place. How to get an old money haircut. Finding the right barber. Finding the appropriate barber is the first thing you need to do in order to acquire a haircut designed for old money. You should look for a barber who has expertise with traditional men's haircuts and who has a strong grasp of the various facial shapes and hair types associated with males. You may ask for suggestions from friends or family members who have a style that is like to yours, or you could do some research online to locate barbers in your area that specialize in traditional haircuts. Choosing the right cut for your face shape. Once you have located the ideal barber, the next step is to select the appropriate haircut for your face shape. The best way to flatter and accentuate your features is to have a haircut that is tailored to your specific face shape. As an illustration, if you have a square facial shape, you might want to consider getting a traditional haircut with a side part. On the other hand, if you have a round face shape, you could find that a longer, layered cut is more attractive. Maintaining your old money haircut. If you want your old money haircut to continue to seem stylish and sharp, you need to make sure that you maintain it on a regular basis. This requires making frequent appointments with your barber in order to maintain the appearance of your hair by cutting and styling it, as well as using the right treatments in order to keep your hair appearing healthy and sparkling. Additionally, if you want to be able to style your hair at home, you should think about obtaining a comb or brush of great quality. This is something you should consider doing. A person's visual attractiveness is not the only thing that is enhanced by old money hairstyles. They are a manifestation of a way of life, a time-honored custom, and particular aesthetic that exudes timeless beauty and subtle grace. It doesn't matter what gender you are, these styles are the key that will allow you to fully revel in the splendor of old money aesthetics. When it comes down to it, your haircut is a physical manifestation of your particular personality. Wearing it as a badge of honor that conveys stories of old money elegance and ageless refinement is something you should make sure to do. Remember, true style is about more than just the haircut. It's about confidence, attitude, and owning your unique look. So take these styles as inspiration, experiment, find what works for you, and most importantly, have fun with it. Before you jet off to schedule your next barbershop appointment, don't forget to leave a comment below and tell me which old money hairstyle you're most excited to try. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and join the notification squad. Until next time, stay classy, stay stylish, and remember, you've got the potential to be an old money style icon in the making.